So the SEC labeled 67 cryptocurrencies as securities between the 4th and the 10th of June. There is a very gigantic long list that you guys can come over and see here on the article on Cointelegraph. Massive coins here. Now, guys, we had insane bloodshed in the market. And as you can see here in the crypto bubbles, we are seeing absolute insane bloodshed continuation in the market today. But this is one of the greatest buying opportunities of your life. Do not miss out on this moment where you can buy these coins that still have strong fundamentals, still are incredible projects with incredible development, incredible tokenomics, incredible teams, utility, all kinds of things, guys. It's only the liquidity that has been pulled out of the market at the moment. And I'm telling you right now, when you're selling your crypto right here in this chart, you're selling it to the whales. The whales are currently buying your crypto because you're selling it to them. And guess what? I'm going to be one of those whales because I'm buying crypto right now more than I have this entire year. I'm doing my best to put whatever it is I can into crypto right now while these prices are still low. Do I think they can drop still a little bit more? Perhaps they could drop another 10, 15%. Yes. Okay. But watch the video right to the end so that you guys can see exactly why that is and why I'm doing exactly this. No financial advice. We'll see you inside. Strap on your seatbelts and tuck right into your vehicle and let's go for the craziest, wildest drive together in this video. How's it going? What's up? What's happening there? Blessed, beautiful souls. Welcome to Crypto Bliss today. I'm Kiara Ducasse and I'm super excited to be here with you guys. Wow-wee. After an insanely crazy day yesterday of massive drops, the drops and the bloodshed continues in the space today, and absolute obliteration of altcoins. And we're going to go and dive into the altcoin charts, what's happening, show you exactly where I pointed out certain levels that we would hit on the altcoin charts, and of course where we're at right now, because unfortunately against Bitcoin, the altcoins are bleeding out. Bitcoin dominance has been pumping. So if you guys want to make sure that you get all of the most up-to-date relevant information about what is happening in the crypto space today, then make sure to hit the subscription bell to this channel right now and make sure you stay right till the very end of this video, because there's a lot of awesome, impactful news coming for you right now, right there. Thanks for being here, my beautiful, blessed souls. Come on, guys. Let's smash through 700 subscribers by the end of today. Please, let's do this, guys. I have a lot of content, so I'm going to be flying straight through this. You guys know that I want to keep the videos as short as possible. I do my best, but there's always so much information to talk about. First of all, we're just hanging on by the thread of it, the needle, by the string thread right now. It's tiny thread. We're sitting at just over $1 trillion in market cap, just under $1.1 trillion. Trading volume has come down by 30 billion since yesterday when I did my video. Guys, you know I did this video here yesterday for you guys that absolutely showed you obliteration in the market. So we're going to have a look at a few charts and see what happens there. But 43 billion in trading volume, which is not bad, but the market still continued to bleed. Bitcoin is not doing too badly in relation to what everything else is happening here. I mean, look at BNB is down 22%, guys. BNB is down 22%. I'm going to say to you guys, no financial advice, of course. BNB is an amazing buy at this price, guys. It's already been up 3x from here. So this is a great coin. Now, there is plenty of things that have been happening here. XRP dropped ever so slightly, but it's back up again today. Cardano. So I'm going to show you guys a few things that I've been buying, because I have been buying some crypto lately, or yesterday on the drop. So, and I'm going to be buying a little bit more today. So Cardano is sitting at 26 cents. We're up 8.5% for the day, but we're down 51% for the week. Okay. Dogecoin, cool, down 15% for the whole week. Solana's at 15.44. Polygon at 60 cents this morning. Polygon is down 33.3 cents percent today. Polkadot is at 4.44, down 16.8% for the week. Shiba has been smashed, down 21% for the week. Avalanche is down 21% as well at 1161. So I bought some Avalanche, I bought some Ripple, and I bought some Chainlink at $5 yesterday. So down 21%. Guys, I bought me some good coins there. Now, my next one, I'm definitely considering to buy some more Cosmos. I must be very honest with you guys. Cosmos is going to be my next one, especially because it's down 25%. And I am trading Cosmos against my Ethereum pair. So it would be good to buy Cosmos low now, because against Ethereum, it will definitely explode into the future. And if you guys want to see that video, then I will leave a link up to that video right there in the somewhere above there in the corner, guys. But yeah, you basically trade ETH to, it had to do with the little whales. Where's my whale? You can see my whale here somewhere, my little whale guy. Okay, we'll find him. I'll leave the link up there for you guys. No problem. So basically, yeah, I mean, we've had a lot of fight happen in the market. Let's go and see now the Fear and Greed Index. Guys, I did not expect the Fear and Greed Index to be this subtly moved. I thought we would have been right down here back into almost your fear side of things. So that didn't happen. We're still in neutral, which is pretty surprising. And I would say that because the people that are strong in crypto know that this is the biggest buying opportunity that they can possibly have right now in this moment. And if it coins like this drop 25, 30%, why would you not put a dollar cost average into that position? It will suck the price that you bought in above this right down. That would be amazing, guys, and your gains will become even larger. So this is a bloody nightmare. 30%, 23, 30%, 21, 23. I mean, this is crazy. This is all above 18%. Most of these coins are above 18% losses. Okay, that is mad. So I'm going to say to you guys, I mean, even Render could be a 50x, no problem. Sui could also be about a 30 to 50x. Chili's also. Matic could also be that. GRT also. Sand is like probably 100 to 1,000. Lido 2. BNB's at least a 10 to 15x. Algo is a definite 1,000x. Synthetics is about a 50x. Pulse Chain is like a 10,000x. Injective is like a 100x. Gala is also like a 100x. Come on, guys. You're buying these things at 30% discounts today. Make sure not to miss out. I always say to you, buy when everything is in the red. Sell it when it is in the green. That is the most fundamental, beautiful energy here. Now, let's go and quickly have a look at the news. So very simple. Lugano plan inside the crypto capital. So we won't have a look at that for now, but this is the article that I want to show you. So the US will find the right outcome for crypto eventually, Coinbase CEO says. So a Hong Kong legislator invites Coinbase to the region amid the SEC scrutiny. So not only that, then let's go and have a look at this article right here. So Binance, Coinbase head to court and the SEC labels 67 cryptos, securities, hodlers digest, June 4 to 10. Okay. So I'm going to cut to the long story short. That's pretty simple. We know that Coinbase CEO's stock sale was probably not planned to occur a day ahead of the suit. So Brian Armstrong just, he could see that his prices were falling, so he had to sell some. This is normal action, guys, from people in their companies. And, people know when their stocks are going to fall, so they sell out and they get out some of their money so that they don't lose money against the big sale of people. So, it's a bit of a contradictory thing because you're dumping on your community, which, you don't want to be doing, or your people. But at the end of the day, like, you also have to protect your money, right? And that's the first rule of making money, is to protect your money. So, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, please remember to smash the thumbs up on the video. And of course, in the descriptions below in my videos, you guys can go and check out my Bybit link where you can get $30,000 deposit when you use my Bybit link down below. And that is going to give you up to $30,000 to trade with and buy some of these altcoins. Why wouldn't you buy them at these lows, guys? What? $30,000 deposit bonus, and you can trade 10x, 20x, whatever you want. 10x is probably my most that I would recommend, but you know, some people have different strategies, so you trade to your own strengths. Now, within 30 hours, Armstrong's net worth plummeted by $289 million. This is what I'm saying. CZ's net worth dropped by $1.3 billion. Okay, that's mad. Binance US suspends USD deposits, warns of fiat withdrawal pause. Crypto.com suspends US international exchange service. Now, Gary Gensler opened up this year in 23 with all these enforcement actions. I think it looks like cover your ass to me. Okay, so we all know about that for now. Now, among the biggest 100 cryptocurrencies, the top 3 altcoin gainers of the week are Terra Classic up 17%, XRP up 2.4%, and Stacks up 2.39%. Don't worry about the top 3. So the most memorable quotations. The SEC doesn't make the law. Indeed, this approach to regulation is unacceptable, but it is what we have come to expect from the SEC and anti-crypto stance. This is by Kristen Smith, the CEO of Blockchain Association. Brian Armstrong, we're proud to represent the industry in court to finally get some clarity around crypto rules. Well done, Brian. Well done, guys. I am rooting for you and CZ and all of the crypto people. Of course, I'm a cryptopian. Of course, I love crypto. And if you love crypto too, then you're going to obliterate that like button right through the roof. Okay, thank you. So we definitely believe that blockchain and Web3 technology have enormous potential to transform a wide range of industries and prepare them for future. We read the Gary Gensler. So, and by the way, that quote is from French Hill, United States representative. Okay. When regulation does not meet novel technology where it is, the US loses its competitive edge over other countries. Ryan White, the president of Polygon Labs. Okay. And their price has fallen 33% this week. Mad. Now, that's a blow to Gary Gensler, but it's also a blow to all of their projects. We believe, and the entire crypto market, we believe that the capital market information will be completely different in a few years, and it's our job to lead the revolution. Tel Aviv Stock Exchange. Okay, so absolutely beautiful lashback from the crypto community towards the SEC. Now, I just wanted to go and show you quickly the list of coins. So these are the 67 lists. These are the list of coins. So you guys can come check out the article yourself. It is on Cointelegraph, and it is the article called SEC Lawsuit. 67 cryptocurrencies are now seen as securities. So we have the likes of BNB, Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Cosmos, Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie, Coty, Chiliz, Voyager, Near, ICP, Flow, Nexo. Guys, these are this is crazy. Libra, Algorand. I mean, and Gary Gensler openly said that Algorand is not a security while he was at MIT. I mean, come on, man. This shows you that it's just really just FUD. It's just FUD. Naga, Monolith, Realist IHT, Power Ledger, Chromatic Crom, DFX, I mean, BitTorrent, Tron, Dragon Chain, Mirror, Mango, Ducat, Lock, Ethereum Max, Hydro, BitConnect, Filecoin, BUSD, Cosmos, Atom, Matic, Axie, Coty, Paragon, Air Token, Chiliz, Flow, ICP, Neo. What? It's a lot of tokens, guys. It's a lot of, and here's even more. So very, very. So that these Mirror Protocol assets are Mirror Apple, Mirror Amazon, Mirror Google, Mirror Netflix. I mean, come on, man. These oaks. Anyways, we guys like. Honestly, it's just going to keep fighting. Okay, so right now, let's go and have a quick quiz at Bitcoin dominance first, because this is going to be one of the most important charts that you can see right now. So this is on the weekly. Currently on the weekly, we now officially have had a breakout of the high here on the weekly. We're turning back up here. So we could potentially fly back up there for a few little days, while Bitcoin dominance absolutely obliterates the chart here. We are coming to the oversold on the RSI as well, but we can still kind of go sideways while this percentage goes up here. So we have broken this high here. We are closing a candle. If we close this candle today above, we are going to definitely continue up. There's my first target, but there's my second target. That would mean that altcoins would continue to bleed out and bleed down, guys, which is mad, because all I can say to you guys right now, if you want to make more Bitcoin than you have ever made in your entire life, buy these altcoins. No financial advice, but I'm doing it. Hopefully you can do it too. You want to have the biggest, want to be part of the biggest financial wave that has hit ever on this earth. This is the time, okay? More than 2017, when all of the Carls from the moon, Chris from Crypto, Da Vinci, more than ever before. This is going to be one of the biggest, most insane moments that we have ever seen. And why is this? I'm going to tell you guys this right now. First of all, debt ceiling has been raised. What do you think will happen when in 6 months' time they reach all of that liquidity, the 4.2 trillion plus they're going to raise the debt ceiling until 25, so they can print as much as they want after the 4.2 trillion that they're going to continue to print. They're going to bring that into the market, and in 6 months it's going to be gone. It's going to be used up. Where do you think all of this liquidity is going to go, guys? Especially considering that Bitcoin is holding up extremely strong against most of the assets in the world right now. Okay, we will see that liquidity come into the space. And if you guys want to see a beautiful liquidity video that I've got for you to give you a complete idea of how much Bitcoin it is and what the potential of Bitcoin is in the near future, then make sure to stay tuned on the videos on my channel, and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I will be doing a very awesome video for you to see the potential price of Bitcoin. Okay, now let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin price. Okay, the Bitcoin price itself is still coming down. It's still within the wedge. So I want to give you two current negative outcomes. Okay, so right now in this region, there is a lot more sell volume than there is buy volume, first of all. Okay, second of all, a good positive is that the RSI is coming to reset, but it can still float down and then press down while the price continues to drop, right? So for me, I still believe that the target for Bitcoin price is somewhere down here, but that means still altcoins will be coming back into Bitcoin, okay? And that's why the Bitcoin dominance is shooting up. But even though the Bitcoin price is falling down, it's because people are sucking liquidity out of all the altcoins, putting it into Bitcoin, which means that some people are taking profits in Bitcoin at the moment because of where we're at, but it is still not the best place to take profits. I will still continue to buy in this zone right here because we're still in a short, medium-term time frame bullish pattern right here, but the long-term time frame is still bearish. Now, the Gaussian channel is where we're under. The 10 EMA is where we're under. So those are two other negatives at the moment, because the moment we're under the Gaussian channel, we push down, but we can also just push sideways for a little moment. So for me, we push down and we push sideways along this level, and then we start to make our next rally up that kind of starts to look something like this again. Okay, that's my personal view at the moment. And yes, there's a lot of stuff going on the chart here, guys. The chart is my personal chart, and I'm sharing this chart with you guys because I'm showing you what I'm seeing in the Gaussian channel, the resistance level that we have up here, the support zones that support to this support zone on the diagonal upward slope. So, guys, if you're not wanting to dollar cost average into positions here, okay, all of these charts are going to now be on the weekly, where I don't actually want them to be on the weekly. Okay, I want them to be on the daily. So look at where we're at, guys. Solana, Bitcoin, like we're extremely low. We tapped down there, large sell volume, but we're at a buy on the buy BTC, sell Sol. Okay, so right now it's time to buy Bitcoin and sell your Solana, and then wait for that pump to go back up. Okay, so right now, because Solana is the one being traded, you need to sell, you need to buy your Solana down here. Sorry, yes, this is the wrong way around. So you need to sell your Solana and buy Bitcoin. Okay, I'll fix that up for you guys. But basically, you can see this RSI is resetting. So now it's time to be in Solana, waiting for this to reset, and then you sell your Solana, buy BTC up here, buy BTC, sell Solana down here. Okay, so that it's that wording that's wrong. That's why. Okay, so Ethereum to Bitcoin. It's kind of pushing back up, but not really. In my personal view, I think this still has to come crashing right down. So I'm going to move this over for you guys just a little bit so that you guys can see a little bit more clearly. Pump down here, and then this would bring us to this support zone. And that's my personal view. I think that we're going to come back down to the 0.06500 level on the ETH BTC pair before we actually make a continuation pattern up. I do think ETH is very strong right now. It has been holding much stronger, and so has Bitcoin. But yeah, Solana versus Tether is down, guys. It's down at the bottom here as well. Look where we've come. We haven't broken this low, so I don't believe that we're on our way down. Theta versus BTC, guys, as well. My goodness me, look at this, look at this, look where we are. We're pushing down, but we're holding support. We're flat on the bottom of the RSI right now. It is time for us to push kind of sideways and then break back up here. And I'm telling you guys, that is going to be, this is where I'm going to be making a lot more of my Bitcoin on Theta BTC pair. Matic, as you can see, Matic here, Matic USDT, as I said, Matic is continuing to fall right now, but you can see the volume isn't big, but we're flatlining here. So it means that the price structure could come down. I think we could still come down to about 51 cents, so another 10% to 15% down on Matic before we actually catch this. And then from there, guys, I'm telling you guys, look at the insane pump that we would have from that level just back up to this level is 130%, and all the way back up there is 320%, guys. That's Matic. You will make a lot of money, and if you're trading that against your BTC pair, I'm telling you, you will even make even more. We've seen the Solana price chart, AVAX as well. I bought some more AVAX, like I said. I bought some AVAX. I bought some Link. Now AVAX is still going down, as you can see here. So I will wait till we come just probably a little tad lower back down to the 11.11. I'm going to buy some at 11.11 down there. Okay. And that's where I'm going to be looking at re-entering into that position. And for that to get back up to the Gaussian channel top, that will give you a 60% level. And guys, we would be pumping. Now, there's one thing I actually wanted to show you on the Bitcoin chart. The second negative bit of news is if I pull the Fibonacci from here to the top. Okay, now my chart needs to just refresh here. BTC, USD. Okay, if I pull that Fibonacci in that kind of way, I just want to show you that the negative part of this is that we have unfortunately broken through the 618, which was here, and we broke. We tried to retest back up. We couldn't. We fell. We broke back down. And we're under the 786, which tells me, and under the Gaussian and under the 10 EMA. And we're still down here on the RSI. So we're not quite at the bottom yet, guys. So I do feel as though we will come and test down at this 23.5K level. That is my personal view, my personal opinion. Before then, I'm telling you, we will probably rocket ship from that point, which will be absolutely amazing. And then the total crypto market cap, guys, I did go and mention this to you on my video that the total crypto market cap, we had a, let's go and see this chart over here first so that you guys can see what I am referring to, because I did say to you guys that on this level, once we broke this zone, that we would come immediately test right back to the bottom. And look, it was by a few $1 billion, by $10 billion only, that we didn't hit the bottom of this target, which is very interesting. Now for me, guys, we could, as the RSI is here, we could just flatten out on this level on top of my purple box, and then we're probably going to fuck off right up back there. And I'm going to say that to you because the Bitcoin dominance, as I said to you guys, will probably hit this target before it perhaps hits a hard retrace here. At that point, people will sell their Bitcoin and get into altcoins, which then we'll have a strong rally up here, and we'll see a very, very strong move to the upside of about 25% in altcoins once again, and that will give us a very strong indication of altcoin strength. And the same thing down here. I said that this is the others, okay? Everything else, all the other altcoins. So you can see that we've pumped. We lost nearly 30 billion in the space yesterday. So, and that was the 72 to 40 billion that I was talking about on the total volume traded in here. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share my content on the channel. I really would appreciate that. You guys know the energy and effort that goes into this video. So thank you very much. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos that I'll be doing for you today. Love you lots. And make sure to invest. No financial advice.